वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल sethiswiftlearn। यूट्यूब चैनल sethiswiftlearn में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इन टुडेज सेशन ऑन सेट्स, further concepts will be clear using illustrations taken from JEE Main on these topics. In earlier session, we have studied these two and also this one, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I will also like to request go through all these concept killing videos, which are very useful for all entrance purposes, which you can also review on sethiswiftlearn. Now let's start with the questions. Question is, consider the two sets A. M belongs to A, both the roots of equation are real, and B minus 3, 5 semi-open interval. Which of the following is not true? We have to pick up one of the answer. Question is taken from JEE Main 2024. Let's start the question. 4. Real roots in quadratic equation. D should be greater than or equal to 0. That is B square minus 4AC should be greater than or equal to 0. Here A is 1, B square, M plus 1 whole square means minus M plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into C, M plus 4 that is equal to 0. On simplification, we get M plus 1, M square plus 1 plus 2M minus 4M minus 16 greater than equal to 0. M square minus twice M minus 15 greater than equal to 0. On factorization, we get M minus 5 M plus 3 greater than equal to 0. Applying the Goli concept. Goli concept means greater of outside and less for inside. In this case, so M equal to a minus plus 5 and minus 3. So this will become to minus 3 will become 5. This is the, or you can say another way of representation, minus infinity to minus 3. 3 is inclusive close interval union 5 to infinity close interval 2. This is set A. Set B is minus 3, 5 semi-open, minus 3, 5. This is it. This is good. Now we have to use operation on sets. Minus 3, 5. Operation on sets. Operation on sets. Operation on sets. पहले ड्रॉ कर लीजिए A. A is minus 3, 5, both are close interval. ये कहता है इधर जाइए, ये कहता है इधर जाइए, in between कुछ नहीं है. And B set is minus 3, 5 close. Minus 3, draw the number line, and 5. ये कहता है इधर जाइए, ये कहता है इधर जाइए. Minus 3 is close interval, 5 is open interval. Now find A minus B. A minus B is only A. Common is to be excluded. A minus B may, I think, this is minus 3. This is minus 3 is common, बाकी सब minus 3 is there, 5 is not there. 5 is not there. So this comes out to be minus infinity minus 3. ये क्लोज आते इसको ओपन कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया, ओपन कर दिया, यूनियन 5 to infinity. This will remain closed. 5 to infinity closed. B minus A. B minus A. Only B. Only B means only A को माइनस कर दीजिए. Only A minus 3 is common. Minus 3 को हटा दीजिए. तो minus 3 5 open interval. A minus B, B minus A union B means at least A or B or both. Every element should be there. So minus 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity, I think this will be a real number. And A intersection B will be, only common is minus 3. Minus 3. Let us see the answers. A intersection B, minus 3 is given to, this is not the wrong answer. A union B is this is not the wrong answer. B minus A is minus 3, but this is not the wrong answer. This is not the wrong answer. This is which is not true. Minus 3, 5, P. Minus 3, 5, P. So this is the answer A is. This is not true. This is not true. Reason being, here is a closed interval, here is an open interval, right? So option A is the answer, right? Next question. Next question is regarding additional information of sets. Let set S is, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union of sets. Union sets means either belongs to sets are in element A or set element B or both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repetition is not there, but this set A union B. That is A union B. Intersection of sets, which is common to both. Common is intersection A intersection B. This is A and B. Common is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Common is 3, 4. Common to both. Common to both. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets में, that is either A minus B or B minus A. A minus B is only A. यानी कि B लेस कर दीजिए A में से. 3, 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A minus B. 3, 4, 5, 6. So common कौन से हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is goes. The remaining is 1, 2. B minus A means only B. Only B. इसमें नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 3, 4 लेस कर दिया तो 5, 6. 5, 6. Symmetric difference. So symmetric difference is, that is A minus B union B minus A. A minus B is 1, 2. Union 5, 6. That is 1, 2, 5, 6. This is A set, which belongs to only A or belongs to B, right? दैट इज कॉमन नहीं होना चाहिए इसमें. पावर सेट इज set of all subsets of a given set. If cardinal number of set, if cardinal number is number of elements in the set is n, the power set will be 2 to the power n. Complement of set. Complement of set means complement of set A. So that will be u minus A. Complement of set B means u minus B. DeMorgan's law. DeMorgan's law में A union B, A intersection B, A intersection B, sorry, A dash intersection B dash. Union will become intersection, intersection will become union. A dash union B. Next, A minus B union C. A minus B union C can be written as A minus B union का intersection A minus C. Similarly, A minus B intersection C, A minus B union A minus C. Right? This is all regarding the additional information of sets. Right? Next question. Question is, if S is a set, A belongs to R, this is the modulus sign, 2A minus 1 equal to 3, this is the greatest into the function plus 2 fractional part function. Then we have to find the 72 summation A belongs to S, summation A is equal to fill in the blanks. Question taken from JEE Main 2004. So these concepts, number of concepts are being cleared. Given is 2A minus 1 equal to 3, A plus 2. This is the modulus function. Modulus function. This is the greatest integer function. This is the fraction part function. Right? We know the property. Any number can be written as greatest integer function plus fraction part function. That is, x can be written as x plus, using this property, this can be written as 2x minus 1 equal to 3, that is the function, plus 2 x minus function x. On simplification, we have 2 more greater than the function. This is A. This is A लिख लीजिए. इसको भी A लिख लीजिए. Right? A plus 2A, that is 2A minus 1. Reference this equation 1. Right? Now, this is the modulus sign. Before solving, we have to consider 2 cases. Let 2A minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So this will be equal to positive. 2A minus 1 will be equal to greater than the function A plus 2A. This will come out to be 0. Greater than the function A comes out to 1. From this case, A is greater than, A comes out to minus 1. Right? Greater than equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 का आंसर 0 आएगा, नेगेटिव कभी नहीं आएगा. तो therefore this is not possible. This is not possible. Now, considering another case. 2A minus 0 -1 less than 0। यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? -2a plus 1 equal to greater into the function plus 2a. On simplification, 4a plus greater into function a minus 1 equal to 0. Let us see on which equation satisfied. A is, in this case, a is less than 1 by 2. In this case, a is less than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 में देखिएगा, we take अगर 1 by 4, let a equal to 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This comes out to be 1 plus 0.25 minus 1. 1 plus 0 minus 1. This comes out to be 0. Yes. A equal to 1 by 4 is the only solution. A equal to 1 by 4 is the only solution which satisfies this equation. Therefore, the value of 72 summation A belongs to S A will be equal to 72 into 1 by 4. This comes out to be 18. 18 is the answer, right? 18 is the answer. Now, in this case, I will request on relation functions. Relation function, I have discussed detailed regarding the modulus function, greater than the function, and fractional part function. You can go through that. That is miscellaneous too. On relation, you can go through that. You will get everything there, right? Now, I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept building videos. Thank you.